Do LCM and HCF questions confuse you? Don't worry. In this video, you'll learn simple tricks, understand the difference between LCM and HCF, and solve exam-style questions step by step. Let's get started. Highest common factor. Largest number that divides all given numbers. Example, 12 and 18. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Highest common factor equals 6. Least common multiple. Smallest number divisible by all given numbers. Example, 4 and 6. Multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18. Least common multiple equals 12. The easiest way to solve HCF and LCM questions is by using prime factorization. Write each number as a product of prime numbers. For HCF, multiply only the common prime factors. For LCM, multiply every prime factor using the highest power that appears. Pause the video and try solving it yourself. The common prime factors are 2, 2, and 3. Their product is 12. So, highest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12. For the least common multiple, take every prime factor using the highest power. Here, the numbers given are 8 and 12, where 8 can be written as 2 cubed, and 12 can be written as 2 square times 3. The highest power for 2 is 3, and that of 3 is 1. So, the least common multiple, 8 and 12, will be the product of 2 cubed and 3, which means the product of 8 and 3. So, the answer is 24. Remember this important formula. The product of the two numbers equals the product of their highest common factor and least common multiple. Here, one of the numbers is 15, and the highest common factor and least common multiple are 5 and 60, respectively. So by substituting the values in the given formula, we get answer as 20. So the other number is 20. Here are 3 quick tricks to remember. HCF is always less than or equal to the smallest number. LCM is always greater than or equal to the largest number. And the HCF of any two consecutive numbers is always 1. Here's a quick challenge. Pause the video and solve it. Since 5 and 7 are prime numbers, their LCM is simply 5 times 7, which equals 35. If this video helped you, give it a like and comment how many questions you answered correctly. Don't forget to subscribe to Aptologic for daily aptitude and reasoning videos.